Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, a little bit sideways last couple of days, but we still definitely have not given ourselves a significant break of structure. We did have a little minor break of structure right here, but that only told us that the last wave was over. We need to see a more of a major break of structure, which I think the last major, since this is the most recent swing, is probably right here. So if price does break below there, then most likely this whole move up is over. I think it's missing a wave four. I think this is a three, and I think that it needs to make a wave four, which means even if it does go down, it's probably still going to just be end up being a crutch into the uptrend. So that way it can make a wave three, a wave four, and then likely a wave five. Keep in mind that I do think this is either a wave A or a wave one on the much higher time frames. Most wave A's and wave ones do take out the previous structure of the previous correction, and that's what this blue line is right here. So I think there's a good chance we are going to get a break of structure to the upside on the daily, potentially before we see too much of a big pullback. The question is whether it's going to break down to make a wave four, then go up and make a wave five to break it, or whether it's just going to keep on drifting up like this to break structure until we actually get some sort of a break to the downside. The trend is up, and odds are usually that it will keep drifting up. So definitely still recommending longs, at least until we get some sort of a break to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.